Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've been thinking about starting a side hustle, you're not alone. With the rising cost of living and the desire for more flexibility, side hustles are becoming increasingly popular. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to start a side hustle step by step. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, pursue a passion, or eventually transition to full-time self-employment, this guide is for you. Identify your passion or skills. Step 1 is to identify what you're passionate about or good at. A successful side hustle often comes from skills you already have. Do you enjoy graphic design, writing, tutoring, or maybe you have a knack for photography? Think about your current job. Are there transferable skills that you can offer as a service? Research the market. Once you've identified your passion or skills, it's time to research the market. Ask yourself, is there demand for this? Who are my potential clients or customers? You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Check platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Etsy to see what's trending in your niche. Define your goals. Now that you know what you want to do and who your audience is, it's time to define your goals. Are you looking for extra income, or are you hoping to turn this into your main source of income? Your goals will shape the amount of time, effort, and resources you dedicate to your side hustle. Create a business plan. Every successful venture starts with a solid plan, and your side hustle is no exception. Even if it's a small side gig, having a business plan will help you stay focused. Your plan should outline your service or product, target market, pricing, and marketing strategy. Set up a budget. Next, let's talk about budgeting. You don't need a lot of money to start a side hustle, but you do need to know what your costs will be. For example, if you're starting an online business, you might need to invest in a website, tools, or software subscriptions. Build an online presence. Nowadays, an online presence is essential for almost any side hustle. Whether it's a website, social media accounts, or an online portfolio, potential clients need to find you. Start by creating a simple website or using social media platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, or TikTok, depending on your target market. Start small and scale. Don't rush into quitting your day job just yet. Start small, test your ideas, and gather feedback. As you build confidence and start generating steady income, you can begin to scale your business. Think about automating certain tasks or even hiring help when the workload becomes too much. Manage your time effectively. Managing your time is crucial when balancing a side hustle with a full-time job. Set aside specific hours of the day or week to work on your side gig, and stick to that schedule. Stay committed and adapt. The final and perhaps most important step is staying committed. Every side hustle has its ups and downs, but the key is perseverance. Adapt to market trends, customer feedback, and industry changes. Keep learning and improving your craft. And there you have it. That's how you can start a side hustle, even if you're just a beginner. It's all about finding your passion, researching your market, setting goals, and taking action. If you're ready to take the leap, now's the time. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment below, and of course, subscribe to the channel. Also, click the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.